Do it again.
Welcome to Big Brother. We are now not day one. What? You can't even count. I really can't count. What, three? 1, 2, 3.
Of your friends.
Okay. 3 of our friends are stuck in the glass room in the York train station.
Oh, God.
They've got to live with each other for another 15 minutes. No. What secrets will come out in these 15 minutes we will not know for 15 minutes?
Quiet. Chris.
Not Chris.
You have approximately 14 minutes remaining in the glass room. There's no secrets about each other because you can't leave this room. There's no secrets. We'll be able to tell you. It doesn't matter.
Shut up.
Something we never told anyone.
I like tea.
Lots
of
girls.
pubs. I like girls.
What?
Actually, girls, because I'm doing there and everywhere. Short skirts, long hair, little ones, short hair.
What's happening?
I've secretly got a dog mask on.
Hayley has just admitted she's secretly a dog. In the Big Brother glass room. Yes.
And
Pausing.
our train is here.
Oh yeah.
Hello!
Alright.
Come on, Joshy. Here's Joshy. Here's Joshy. Here's Hayley. Here's Sally. You get a different voice.
Hello. It's all
Here is my train. We get to sit on the train. Daddy, 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 get on the train. Let's get a 4-seater, 4-seater. We could just get a 4.
Just go there, yeah. Just go there, yeah, totally, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Oh God, I really. Oh yeah.
Is that on?
With it.
Oh, it's just between York and Leeds. Is that us?
No.
No, that's your computer.
York and Leeds. We'll just sit here.
Redo.
York and Leeds.
On it, pause.
Life is that's the dream.
We just have some milk seats. I mean, that's just shocking.
Row your train. Let's get down the track. It's cut my wrist because I mean Mustang. Cut my wrist because I mean Mustang.
Now you need something here because it's wrong there.
And
Not the gonorrhea stuff.
Turn around to me. Okay.
well, he's got gonorrhea. Gonorrhea of the nose.
Sally, Hayley, and Holly, go to York.
And Josh.
Oh, I can't believe you just left out Josh.
What?
Oh yes, and Josh.
Best friend. Josh's best friend.
Oh, Sudoku.
Hold on a second.
I go.
Does anyone have a pen?
No.
I've got a weird nose burn. I want a nose job.
I want a job to do a man now.
Well, they straighten it, don't they?
It could be a bin. You want a job for your nose? That's really not good. And cushions.
Stop with the joke.
It's just like a
Word vomit.
thing that just takes over my life.
Right. Hey, Joshy.
Just you wish you had fuzzy wuzzy hair, fuzzy wuzzy hair. Not anymore. Oh! Well, Mickey wasn't very happy. Thank you all for running with the train.
Oh, thanks.
I run all the way. I run all the way to the end and then fell off.
How funny. How funny if you just went through. He likes you because you helped him abuse me because I said something about something on my head and I said he likes you much nicer than me, so I said if it's a black guy, well, what's your real name? I said it's a black guy. So, and then I said that he was just
Corbin Blue.
a guy. So,